In this application problem, we're told a texting plan has a monthly fee of $12 plus a charge of $0.05 per text. How many text messages can you send in a month for a total cost of $43? So when I first look at this problem, it's always good to check our units. And if you notice here, all the money is given in dollars, which is great. It's consistent. We don't have to worry about having some in dollars and some in cents. What are we trying to find in this problem? We're trying to find how many text messages you can send in the month for this cost. So you have to define a variable. Don't just use one. You need to define it. And you can pick any variable letter you want, but since they're text messages, I'm going to let T equal the number of text messages. Now we need to figure out how our bill is determined. What is the total cost? Well, we start with a monthly fee of $12. And to that, I have to add the charge for all my text. So if I just made one text, it'd cost 0.05 of a dollar. 2, it'd be twice that. 3 times that. But since I have T text, it's going to cost me 0.05 times T. So to figure out how much comes from the charge of the text, you just multiply the cost for one text by the total number of text. And now what does that total cost equal? We know the total cost equals $43. So 12 plus 0.05T has to equal $43. And there's my simple linear equation. I need to get T all by itself on one side, so I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. So 12 minus 12 is 0, so I have 0.05T equals 43 minus 12 is 31. And now to get T by itself, all I have to do is divide both sides by 0.05. These reduce on the left, just leaving me with T equals, let me get my calculator out real quickly, 31 divided by 0.05 equals 620. So I've solved my application problem, but it's always good in application problems to end with a sentence. So I can send 620 texts for my $43.